Yeah, it's been a while I did this, but yeah, I can still do it. Okay, hello, my name is Anulua Patience. Do I say, yeah, I rip the rash. Okay, let's talk about what I have for you today. What do I have for you? Okay, there's a message from God. From me to you. Are you depressed? You are hot. You feel like nobody's hearing your voice. Nobody's noticing you. Well, here is a message from God. God sees you. He notices you. He sees those times where you cry and you pray. He sees you. And one day, he will definitely reward you. Bye bye.